Hello, today I'm going to tell you the top 5 common mistakes of small YouTubers. Your channel will grow in no time if you avoid doing these things. So let's get started. Number 1. Not paying attention to video thumbnails. The thumbnail you choose for each video matters. Alongside the title, it's the first thing viewers see before clicking on a video. If the graphic is colorful but simple, it's likely to be clicked. Anything that looks cluttered or takes more than a second to understand won't make a good thumbnail. Remember, your experience on YouTube is not the same as the viewers. They want to skim past thumbnails and find a video to watch quickly. That's why your thumbnail should have 3 easy-to-understand qualities. 1. Minimal text for fast reading. 2. Bright colors to catch viewers' attention. 3. A clutter-free design the brain can process. There's a trick you can use to instantly grade your thumbnails. Daryl Eves developed this strategy, and he describes it in his new book, The YouTube Formula. To start, open the YouTube mobile app and type your channel's name into the search bar. Notice how the results show 2 to 3 videos at most on your screen. Now close your eyes for 5 seconds. After that, open them for 1 second. Now close them again. Which thumbnail stood out more? That's the one you should study as you strive to make better graphics. Number 2. Only thinking about views and subscribers. Every creator wants more views and subscribers. In fact, some will go to Google and type how to get more views and subscribers into the search bar. But that's the wrong way to think about YouTube. Views and subscribers are a long-term reward, the result of doing lots of little things correctly. Number 3. Never experimenting with your content. Listen up, creators. Your YouTube channel is not made of glass. One mistake won't shatter it. In fact, the biggest mistake you can make is never experimenting. The more you hold on to past success, the less you grow, adapt, and improve. Take YouTube Shorts, for example. This content type of vertical, less than a minute videos, was introduced last year. It's the opposite of what most creators are used to, which are lengthy, horizontal videos. But for creators willing to experiment with shorts, the payoff has been huge. Number 4. Blaming failures on a lack of equipment. You don't need expensive technology to grow a YouTube channel. It's better to expand your creation and promotion skills in the beginning, learning how to do keyword research, creating better videos, making awesome thumbnails, and more. So if you see a $1,000 camera or a $500 softbox in your local department store, keep walking. You can do a lot on YouTube with natural light and a smartphone. It's okay to upgrade your gear when you can afford to and your channel is growing. But until then, don't blame your failures on any piece of technology. Mr. Beast, a creator with around 60 million subscribers, never did. In a Twitter post, he explained how he used his YouTube revenue to slowly invest in his content. Number 5. Creating a video without researching its topic. Researching isn't always fun, but it's necessary. If you want to become the top creator in your niche, whether that's gaming, cooking, beauty, or another topic, you need to explore those types of channels. Open the YouTube app and do some basic searches. Then ask yourself 3 questions to narrow your focus. Who are my competitors? How would I improve my competitors' content? Which topics are viewers searching for? This is where vidIQ can help. When you download our free browser extension, you'll get access to YouTube competitor tools. You can add competitors to a watch list and keep an eye on the content they're uploading. Or you can export a list of their top-performing keywords to improve your search rankings. It's easy to correct common YouTube mistakes, but some errors are hard to come back from. As you grow your channel, avoid these 8 legal pitfalls on YouTube. Thanks for watching.